Today is January 16. It's exactly 8:34. Yan, naghihintay pa rin po tayo doon sa mga kasama ko. And mamaya ipapasilip ko na po sa inyo kung ano po yung mga kaganapan sa aming event.
Sa kanya mo i-focus.
Hi! Say hi! Kita ba yung naman nandun sa likod? Hello!
Kita si Jana Jack yung dulo.
Ito po ay siyempre in recognizing contributions under sa ating
direct seller levels.
Yes.
So these are direct seller levels who have sales contributions for the annual sales period of
Espanyo JUL Realty.
Next is Ms. Aki Espineda of RVF Realty OPC.
Susunod, we have Ms. Jennifer Exponde, RVF Realty OPC.
Up next is Ms. Sarah Jane Flores of 88 Degrees Prime Realty.
And now, round of applause for Ms. Maria Chinete Gapas Alta Realty Corporation.
Palakpakan din natin Ms. Mary Jane Gastola of Labels Marketing.
Susunod, we have Mr. Mark Joseph Higante Real Estate Services.
Next, Mr. Juanito Juarez Jr. of RCD Realty Marketing Corporation.
And masusunod, we have Ms. Araceli Haner Jazz Realty Services.
And last, for this set, Ms. Elenita Legaspi of JADP Realty.
Congratulations, ladies and gentlemen, palakpakan po natin for this set of our awardees. Come on, put your hands together, please. Palakpakan natin sila.
And let's all take a group photo po.
Hindi pa tayo natatapos sa mga awardees natin. We have Ms. Sandra T. Gigante Real Estate Services.
And last for this set, Mr. Roberto Habor of RS Habor Realty.
So congratulations for this set of our awardees. Palakpakan po natin sila, ladies and gentlemen.
Pesos with one slot trip to Vietnam incentive and to receive 57,562 and 82 centavos from Gigante Real Estate Services. Congratulations to Mr. Mark Joseph Gigante.
Manalang, Mr. Mark Joseph Vigate, and Mr. Grant Joseph Sorbito are directs. So much.
30,000 pesos.
Congratulations. Coming from
From Gigante Real Estate Services,
Miss Sandra K.
Gigante.
Congratulations, Sandra. Hinakita sa facial expression and body language ni Sandra. Masayang-masaya siya.
Yes, and super deserved kasi in the span of 6 months as an elite broker, yan yung naging production niya.
Ano naman, 30,000 pesos incentive. Sandra, congratulations. A very nice trophy. Just to check, totoo po daw yung diamante sa trophy. Tuwa po si Maureen, pero parang mas natutuwa yung mga kasama sa team.
Pesos, and to receive an amount of 54,329.85 centavos from Gigante Real Estate Services, Miss Sandra K. Gigante. Maraming uwi si Miss Sandra today.
Sabi ko, type ko ba? Pangalawa na. Second time na Miss Sarah K. Gigante will be joining us on stage to get an award.
Subukan mo yung party na yan.
Hindi
Sa
na
office ng Gigante.
Hindi lang celebration, party na.
Party na.
Party na. Nasa naman tayo, Gigante Real Estate Services. Nasa po kayo. Taas ka na kamay. Palakpakan naman. 2 hours na so far. Parang natahimik sila kasi nag-iisip sila kung saan na sila mapaparty po. No? Congratulations. And our top performer. Ladies and gentlemen, natin kung sino magde-deserve